Welcome to our CNC Lathe Calc app. In the coming days, we will be uploading a comprehensive tutorial on CNC programming within this app. This tutorial will guide users through the complete CNC programming process, providing an in-depth understanding of the functionality of the app. Additionally, we will be providing solutions for Fanuc alarms within the app. As of now, the data for the alarms has not been uploaded, but it will be made available in the near future. We appreciate your interest in our app and wish you success in your endeavors.